Daddy-o. Max let me take his bike out, and I found myself a spring, and check out this beautiful place I'm in. It's a beautiful world. Love you, Pops. Check out this beard. You guys want to come with me? Oh, it's not that bad. You want to come with me on a little little adventure? Oh, I guess it looks pretty big. If I can do it with one hand, I'll take you along. Let's see. I mean, essentially all I have to use is my feet, right? But this is a slippery log covered in moss. I think it might be a bit irresponsible to walk. I guess I have to get to the other side of the river. So I'm trying to get under the waterfall. So I guess I'll go on my butt. Yeah, I'm not going to walk this stretch. So sorry, you can't come along. See you on the other side. So, I made it to the middle here. Sorry, I made it to the other side. Didn't let you know. You were worried? There it is down there. I took some pics in the middle. I'm trying to get behind this waterfall right now. It's proving to be pretty challenging to get behind this waterfall. But getting there. This was a bit of a challenge. You can come along for the home stretch. Here we go. Do-do-do-do. This is a beautiful land, and I love it so. Oh, this damn waterfall. I'm getting there very slow. Oh, maybe it would have been better if I had just swam. But then I would be all wet and not happy as a clam. Alright, I'm going to try and take a picture behind this waterfall. By the way, I'm being very careful. Look, that log is not me. I checked it first because I was interested in climbing up on this structure. But then it went ahead and collapsed on me. No worries. Alright, we're down here right next to the waterfall. I thought I could go behind it, but that might make me really, really, really wet. But man, I really want to go behind it. We'll see. I'm in the beast. Wow. Alright, I made it, folks. Love you a lot. Whoa! What we have here is a failure to communicate. Not anymore. I'm recording this voyage pretty well, huh? Ah! I'm falling up! Wow! Woo-hoo-hoo! Don't worry, I'm hooked on. That was a bit much, huh? This is Walking Over Water, Volume 1. Dun 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 dun. One-handed walking over water. Dun 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 dun. See, if I fell, I wouldn't actually fall down the waterfall. Yeah, just kidding. This is getting a bit much. You know, sometimes my imagination inhibits me because, oh, waterfall deal, blah blah. Got that in Tucson, seen it before. But no, that was a really fun little waterfall walking experience. So yeah, that's it. Sometimes imagination can inhibit people. I thought it was such a beautiful, wonderful thing, but really you gotta get some experience in your life. Whew. Hey, and after all that, the sun has come out too. Wow, beautiful. And don't let this jacket fool you. It's about 60 degrees right now or something like that. Or I don't know. I don't know these temps, but I would be perfectly fine walking in a t-shirt. And I'm going to take my jacket off pretty soon here. Anyways, I'm going to stop saying goodbye at the end of videos because I always seem to have something to say. Look at that sun through the mountains. Maybe I can focus a little for you. How about, what do we got here?